All right, I'm gonna try. It's so good. It's the best cake I've ever made.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad Simply Cooking. Today we're making a cake as southern as it gets. We're talking about the Coca-Cola Cake, the classic Coca-Cola Cake. I'm gonna be real honest with you. Apparently this is something big at the Crackle Barrel. I haven't been to Crackle Barrel in a very long time. Everybody talking about this cake. Everybody says this cake is good. So I found one of the recipes. I'm gonna have it posted in the description below if you want to check it out. I like to set everything out in front of me so I'm aware of what I'm making and I don't get confused. I break down the list, get it all put out before I start going with it. Even if I wasn't filming a video, I'm still gonna do the same method. I know it's crazy, but it just helps my brain. All right, so what we want to do is I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients together first and then do my wet ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna go over my ingredients. I got 2 cups of flour, about a cup of marshmallows, a half a cup of oil, a half a cup of milk. It called for buttermilk, but Jerry threw my buttermilk away. So I'm gonna substitute it for milk, fingers crossed. 2 eggs, half a cup of butter, baking soda, vanilla, cocoa powder, and salt and baking soda, and 2 cups of sugar. Seems like a lot. I ain't gonna lie. I double checked this recipe twice just to make sure.
You sure about that?
So, but the whole recipe's in the link below for this cake and the frosting. So my butter, I'm just gonna throw my butter in the microwave and get it melted down in my blue bowl.
Warmed in the microwave.
Add my salt and my baking soda and my sugar. Incorporate all that together. Blending. You want to sift it, have at it. So I'm going to add my milk into my big bowl here with my butter and my oil. My vanilla. Coke.
Cold Coca-Cola. There's no waistline worry with Coke, you know.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
We do 1 cup. Get my beautiful mixer, my beautiful hand mixer. One egg. Two eggs. I slowly incorporate my flour mixture. Cocoa powder. Your 1 cup of marshmallows. Alright, I got a 9 by 13 aluminum pan. I'm gonna spray it. Pour it. Alright. So a lot of the recipes I saw, they baked the Coke or they boil the Coke first. I do have a little bit of orange extract. Do a drop of it, not too much. Too much orange to mess it up. But they boiled the butter and Coke together first. And then I saw it said you didn't have to do that, so I didn't do that.
No way. That's great.
So hopefully we still got a good cake. We're about to find out. A little bit of orange goes good with that. I don't know if you ever had the orange Coke. Pretty good. Into our oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. Cake's done. It's hot outside. Only 110 degrees it feels like. Here I have 3 1/4 cup of sugar because we're going to make the frosting. This is powdered sugar. I have a stick of butter. My cocoa. I'm going to just mix my cocoa on in. My helper is going to throw in the milk. Perfect. And then we're going to throw in some vanilla. Vanilla in. Good. What else do you think we might need, baby girl? Butter. Yeah. We need some butter. This is room temperature butter.
I want to put it in.
Drop it on in. Oh, it fell. Gonna pour a little bit of Coke in. It's like, boop. Boop. Perfect. I'll start it. I'll start it and then you can finish it. There you go. So this is buttercream frosting.
It's a tornado.
Pretty good. It's a little runny, but we want it that way. Pay no attention to the...
It's so very, so beautiful. The cake gonna be so beautiful. And the cake gonna be so beautiful.
It looks so moist. And it is. Oh, man. Y'all, that is a super moist, ooey gooey, cokey cake.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's the best cake I've ever made.
It's
And
super moist.
I was going to say that.
Yeah.
Most chocolate cakes sometimes can be dry, but this is so moist.
The stamp of approval from my mom. So y'all, if y'all will, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.